Chime Note versus Plaud AI. Let's get started. Let's start with Chime. So Chime is a compact AI voice recorder that transcribes and summarizes your audio in real time using large language models, or what you call AI. It focuses on meetings, interviews, and spontaneous notes sync with a mobile app, and it's all in one with an AI business partner. While Plaud, on the other hand, is a clip-on AI voice recorder that turns any phone call, meeting, or conversation into structured notes using ChatGPT. It's designed to be hands-free, ideal for journalists, professionals, and on-the-go users. So let's talk about their pros and cons. Let's start with Chime. So Chime offers a compact design and magnet clip for clothing and laptop. It also has a real-time transcription and summaries. It supports Whisper and GPT integration, and it has a multi-language support. Claude, on the other hand, supports clips on the phones and records calls or live voice. It also offers a direct integration with OpenAI, or also ChatGPT. It records both sides of a phone call and on supported devices. It has also smart summaries and keyword extraction, and it has a long battery life and onboard storage. So choose Chime if you want a general purpose AI recorder for in-person meetings, and choose Claude if you want an AI recorder for phone calls, interviews, and real-time ChatGPT summarization, especially on the go.